Alright, I'm gonna get started. Just this video will be up. I'm not talking to anybody. This video will be up afterwards. So, the conductors from the service point to the service disconnecting means. This is the definition. It is Article 100. Service conductors. You just need to look up the answer choices. Conductors and equipment for delivering electric energy from the serving utility to the wiring system of the premises served is the NEC definition for service. Of course it is. It's a definition. It's in Article 100. Another definition. No reason to spend any more time on that. Overhead service conductors passing over the roof of a building. Vertical clearance. This is going to be service conductors vertical clearance. Is 8 foot. You're going to want to look up service conductors, which I want to say is 220. But I could be wrong. It is not 220. 230 is services. And then overhead service conductors is a section in that. 230.54. And then drip loops. That is not where that answer is, though. Now that I've directed you there. Let's see. Supports over buildings. Overhead service. 230.22 is overhead service conductors. Above roofs is 8 foot. So 230.24A is where that one is. Which of the following wiring methods is/are not permitted for use with service conductors or 1,000 volts nominal or less? So you're going to need to flip to the back of services. So Article 230, but the back of their part, I want to say part 5. Part 9, actually. Is overcurrent. No, that's overcurrent protection. Let's flip back a little bit. Circuit breakers. Supervised industrial installations. It is definitely in Article 230. I am wiring methods for 1,000 volts nominal or less. That's 230.43. It should be right in here. There's 230.43, and then all right. I'm gonna 230.43. Haha, I was close. 1 through 19. Wait, what? Oh, I read or more. It says or less, and I read it or more. That's just me being bad at reading. I have to take back all the things I've said about you people asking so many questions about this. Won't load up for me. Charles said it won't load. That might be why I only have two viewers. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna see if I can solve this. Uh, huh. All right. This is gonna be a short one, so maybe we can just rewatch it. Individual meter socket enclosures rated 1,000 volts or less must be marked to identify them as being suitable for service equipment. Good. Good. Charles is in now. Suitable for service equipment. So meter sockets, I saw that a second ago. This is still going to be in 230. Service equipment general. Disconnecting means service equipment. And I'm going to cheat again. 230.66. That's... Oh. Service equipment marking. The marking methods for service equipment, that's marked to identify. I was looking for meter socket enclosures. But yeah. So this is 230.66 for this one. Then each ungrounded service conductor shall have blank protection. It's got to be overcurrent. Let's see. Ooh. I was like, it's got to be like ground fault or something protection or overload protection. But that's kind of all of the answers. Overload protection. Okay. I like it. 230.90. And that service equipment overcurrent protection. That whole section is overcurrent protection. It's a part you could get from the table of contents pretty easily. All right. So that is the end there. I don't want to cut this too short.